اصطلاحات کاربردی روزمره. پارت دوم. Don't patronize me. Don't patronize me. یعنی من احمق فرض نکن.
Protecting his surrogate son.
Don't patronize me.
Don't patronize me.
Okay, Debbie Downer. Debbie Downer. یعنی ضد حال یا کسی که ضد حال میزنه.
I don't want to be a Debbie Downer, but I think it was just a draft.
I don't want to seem like Debbie Downer here, but
Don't snap at me. Don't snap at me. یعنی به من نپر. پاچه منو نگیر.
I know you're under a lot of pressure, but please don't snap at me like that.
I can hear you.
Don't you snap at me unless
I misspoke. I misspoke. یعنی اشتباه منظورم رسوندم یا اشتباه بیان کردم.
you say. No, I misspoke.
Forgive me, I misspoke.
I've got a lot on my plate. I've got a lot on my plate. این خب از نظر جمله معنی جملهش اینجوریه که من خیلی چیزا تو بشقابم دارم، اما وقتی که اصطلاحه و ما به عنوان اصطلاح ازش استفاده میکنیم یعنی خیلی کار دارم، خیلی سرم شلوغه، خیلی کار رو باید انجام بدم.
Just, I've got a lot on my plate. My mind's
You know what?
kind of
I just got a lot on my plate right now.
Thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and don't forget to follow me.